Okay, so why am I here?
Sit down, Mac, and here's the skinny.
I am sitting and that's not my name.
You know that Japanese store with the cute little penguin mascot?
Yes, he sure is cute.
Well, he's coming to the States and we want someone to sing an English version of his theme.
What? No. You understand the backlash this could have?
Come on, who wouldn't want a senpai mop or a manly
You
dish towel?
weeb garbage, just shut it and listen!
Wait and see, one day we can finally say, let's meet up at the nearest Don Quixote. Buy a dream that will simply blow you away. A treasure hunt is what it feels like, don't you say? Don, 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 Donki, Donki, Ute. 10 out of 10, it's a star-wide jungle sound. Don, 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 Donki, Donki, Ute. Fully stocked with all your needs today. Donki, Ute. Paradise where the winner needs only speed.
Gotta go fast!
Meet Donki all the time to find every need.
Make the savings last!
Don't be scared, no one will judge what you wanna buy. I wonder what will be on all the shelves tonight. Don, 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 Donki, Donki, Ute. Never lets down, it's a jungle of a sound. Jungle sound. Don, 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 Donki, Donki, Ute. No matter the time, the fun is here to stay. Donki, Ute.
Alright, boys and girls, it's my pleasure to present the adorable, huggable mascot, Don Quixote. Now everyone on 3, let's call him out. 1, 2, Don Quixote!
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I didn't know anyone was behind me. Please forgive me. I didn't mean to scare you. Just please.
How could you live with yourself appropriating all of that Japanese
I'm sorry. I didn't
You did that yourself. You and discovered the universe. That is even worse. I cannot believe you.
Don, 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 Donki,